ख्वाब देखना एक नॉर्मल चीज है। हम सभी देखते हैं और उन्हीं ख्वाबों को पूरा करने की कोशिश करते हैं। पर उन ख्वाबों का क्या जो अधूरे हैं? क्या हमने कभी उनको पूरा करने के बारे में सोचा है?
Hi, my name is Zenith Irfan, Pakistan's motorcycle girl.
तो ये कहानी है ज़ेनिथ इरफान की, who is among those very few Pakistani female motorbike riders who have traveled across northern Pakistan on a motorbike.
लोग मुझे मोटरसाइकिल गर्ल कहते हैं। सही कहते हैं, क्योंकि मेरी एक जिद ने सब कुछ बदल दिया।
Reliving his father's lost legacy and completing his incomplete dream. It all started from here. His dream was to travel across the world on a motorbike. But was this easy for her? Well, the answer is no. She had to face a lot of criticism. She had mental and physical breakdowns. But she believed in herself. With a belief of 4 wheels that moves a body, but 2 wheels that moves a soul. And she did it. A movie based on her story came out in 2018 with the name Motorcycle Girl. Breaking the stereotypes, never giving up her dreams, standing up whenever she falls. She once said, "When you trust yourself, the universe will help you achieve your dream." And here we have the motorcycle girl of Pakistan, Zenith Irfan.
मेरा message to all young girls who want to achieve dreams that are unusual is that the number one key to achieving anything is believing in yourself. अगर आपको खुद पे यकीन ना हो तो किसी और का आपके ख्वाब पे यकीन करना इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं रह जाता जितना आपका अपने ख्वाब पे यकीन करना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है।